Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Alex's Adventures. And in this episode of Alex's Adventures, we will be taking an adventure walking along the famous Las Vegas Strip in Las Vegas, Nevada. That is right. In this episode of Alex's Adventures, we'll be taking an adventure walking along the Las Vegas Strip and see what the famous Las Vegas Strip has to offer. So here we are at the Las Vegas sign. We'll be starting our adventure and walking north. So you can always take your iconic "Welcome to Fabulous Las Vegas" sign. Behind me is a line. You want to take a picture with yourself with the sign. And now let's go ahead and begin our adventure. So here are several, one of the first several casinos after the Las Vegas sign. Here you have the Mandalay Bay. Here is the Luxor with its famous pyramid shape, and here is the intersection. So here is the Excalibur. Reminds me of Disneyland. Here is New York, New York. And as we pan to our right, here is the MGM. So that is the MGM Grand. And let's go ahead and go across the street. So here's the Mandalay Bay. And here is the Tropicana on the intersection of Tropicana and Las Vegas Boulevard. Here's the Excalibur from the other side of the street. And as we aim to our right, here is New York, New York, the famous replica of the Statue of Liberty and the famous iconic New York City skyline. And here is the MGM Grand and the famous gold lion. So yeah, there we have it. So as we walk along the strip, here's New York, New York. And here we have several shops that you should check out, such as this M&M World store, along with the Coca-Cola store next to it. So that is the M&M store, along with the Coca-Cola store. And here, down this distant, is Planet Hollywood. Here's the Cosmopolitan, one of the newest casinos, one of the newer casinos along the Las Vegas Strip. And here we have Planet Hollywood, which has the Miracle Mile shops. And here it is Paris. So here we have the Aria on your right. Here's Planet Hollywood again. Here's a closer look of Paris. Here's the replica of the Eiffel Tower. And here is the Bellagio. So here's the famous, iconic waterwork fountain show at the Bellagio. And yeah, so there you have it, one of the most iconic fountain shows at the Bellagio. So as we cross the street, here you can see another fountain show going on at the Bellagio. Here you have the Cosmopolitan, its towers along the Aria. And as we go down the escalators, as we crossed the street, here's the Cromwell Hotel and Casino. And as we move our right, here is Caesar's Palace. towards this direction. Here you can see the neon lights. What I like about these is that these are bright lights since we're the entertainment capital of the world. And here is the iconic flamingo. Across the street from that flamingo is Hell's Kitchen. So here we have Hell's Kitchen along with Caesar's Palace. Here's Caesar's Palace. And as we make our way to the right, here is the Mirage and Caesar's Palace sign in the link. So here are the casinos that we walked through already. Caesar's Palace, super big property here on the Las Vegas Strip. And here is the Link, one of the newest addition on the Strip. And here's the iconic Caesar's Palace sign and the Mirage and Treasure Island in the distance. I really love how the glow of the signage that gives this purple tint. Here's the Forum shops at Caesar's Palace, and here is the Mirage. So the Mirage is famous for its iconic volcano show, as you can see right there, super bright. And the Mirage, and yeah. So here is the Mirage. And as we go ahead and look to our left, here we have the Venetian. Here's the Venetian Hotel and Casino. And the Palazzo, which is interconnected with one another. So that is the Venetian. And here is Treasure Island. TI. Treasure Island. And yeah. So here's a closer look of Treasure Island. Here you can see that they have ships right there, and yeah. So here we have the Grand Canal shops, and here we have Wynn and Encore casinos, along with the Fashion Show Mall and Resorts World right there in the distance, and the famous iconic Strat Tower. Here we have the Sahara along with Circus right there, and here's a closer look of the general store. Then here we are at the end of the strip, which is the Strat, also formerly known the Stratosphere. So here's this view of the Strat, and as we pan down, congrats to our 2022 World Champions, Las Vegas Aces. And this is one of the newest addition on this end of the strip, the Las Vegas sign. And yeah, so that is it. That is the adventure of the Las Vegas Strip. If you like this video, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Comment section below when you think about this place. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be sure to get my other YouTube content that's on this channel. And thank you for watching Alex's Adventures, and I'll see you on the next one.